Hello, welcome back to compiler hacking, or should I call it build hacking? So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. My cyber pal Joshua had submitted this PR to get Natalie to build on OpenBSD, which I think is fantastic. I don't happen to use OpenBSD on any of my machines currently. It's been a while since I've played with it, but I thought it'd be really cool if we could get our automatic build system to build on OpenBSD so that we make sure that we don't break this in the future. Unfortunately, GitHub doesn't have the ability to build on OpenBSD, at least as not as far as I know. But SourceHut does, and I'm a paying customer of SourceHut, so we might as well give it a shot. Yeah, we have a mirror of Natalie over on SourceHut, and we'll just see what we can do. I have been playing with this and been failing, but I thought I'd start over and go through the process with you in case this is helpful to someone. We need to look at the documentation, and then we also need this submit manifest button. This will let us test our manifests that we're going to be writing without having to push individual commits. So that's going to be really handy. How jobs are submitted. We will need something like this. And where do we put it? We put it in the .builds directory inside of our project, and that will trigger the build to automatically happen whenever we push to our mirror at SourceHut. So let's just go work on that. We'll make a makedir.builds. Oh my. Let's try that again. makedir.builds cd.builds OpenBSD.yaml, and we'll paste that in. And our image is not going to be Arch Linux. We need to go figure out what images we have available. Supported build images, OpenBSD. 6.8. I'm tempted to use latest, but I think I want everything to be kind of frozen on a version and not break randomly in the future. So I'll pick 6.8 here and put that there. And then what packages do we need? Well, we know from our README that we need all of these. I'm pretty sure that Git's already installed, but autoconf, automake, libtool, cmake, and then I noticed Joshua had mentioned that we'll need gmake. From my understanding, OpenBSD has its own make utility that's not fully compatible with GNU make, so we need gmake, which is GNU's version of make. It's sort of the Linux-y version, so we'll need that. Let's just sort these. And we'll need Ruby. So we'll start there, and we'll see if we can get these to work. The source will be Tim Natalie. The environment, we're going to leave that alone for now. We don't have any secrets. Natalie. Okay, so what do we want to do here? I think we want to do a bundle install. I forgot what the command is. Bundle install help. Bundle install deployment. Deployment. I thought there was a newer way to do deployment. Well, we'll just do it this way for now. Deployment. And then for the build process, we want to use gmake. Yeah, and then for this one, we'll do gmake test. Why did I delete that? See, okay, that's a good start. And let's just see what we can. See what we can see. See what kind of errors we get. Submit that, baby. I love SourceHut. I wish that you could get the exposure for your project on SourceHut that you can on GitHub. I would totally use SourceHut. I love that there's no JavaScript. Like even this page is refreshing is using a refresh tag every 5 seconds. I think that's so So cool. Sort of retro, I guess. Okay, so this is an error, I believe. This is something I'm not super familiar with on OpenBSD. If I'm supposed to just specify the version for all of these, that's not an error though. Fascinating. Bundle command not found. Okay. So let's just use their SSH ability and SSH into the machine. And CD Natalie, which bundle 27? Yeah, I didn't actually install those packages, so I need to do that. I have to remember how to do this. Package add Ruby. Must be root. Sudo. It's not sudo. Not sudo. Do as. OpenBSD is do as. Yeah, I don't want that to pop up. So I guess I just specify the version that I want. Okay. Fair enough. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. We will copy that and put it in place of Ruby here. What other one was it complaining about? AutoConf and AutoMake. So, oh my. Okay, so let's just get the highest version of AutoMake. Highest version of AutoMake there. And then AutoConf, the highest version of that is this. Why can't I select? Okay. And did it complain about libtool as well? I think it was just these three that were ambiguous. So let's try this again. Edit and resubmit. Paste that. So now we have these hopefully figured out. I could probably get out of this now. Okay. If you want to use this package as your default system Ruby, we do. As root, you need to create these symbolic links. Well, we'll just do that. I don't know if I care about all of them, but I do want to get some of these. So in our manifest, I guess that'd be part of the setup process, and I'd do it here. But I really just care about Ruby and bundle. That's all I care about. And I believe I need to do a do as here. Okay. So that's that. Bundle command not found. Okay, so let's go SSH back into this. Natalie, and let's copy those, paste those, and then run. Do we have a bundle now? Yes. Bundle install deployment. This is where I get to see. There it is. I knew that was deprecated. The replacement is this. So I will just put that in our manifest like so, and I can get rid of that. Where was I? Okay, installed that. Should I run? Yeah, let's just run gmake. Okay. Unable to locate GNU AutoConf. autoconf. Provide an autoconf version environment variable, please. So this is interesting. Autoconf on OpenBSD has this little wrapper script that just expects autoconf version to be specified. So ls, what are the autoconf versions? 269, is that what we installed? Interesting. We installed 264. Well, if 269 was available, why didn't it tell me that? I'm going to change this to 269, and then I'm going to set this environment variable 2.69. And we'll do it here too. 2.69 gmake. Unable to locate auto make. What did I do wrong? Oh, that was autoconf. You could do the same thing for auto make. ls user local bin auto make star, and 1.13 is that version. Make version 1.13. Is that what I said? So auto make version is 1.13. Now let's try it again. Things are happening. This is good. Keep going, keep going. Building some stuff. Okay. Permission denied. What? I don't know what that means. I have never seen that before in my life. OpenBSD. Maybe get rid of this random looking number. LD so hints. Okay. DuckDuckGo is failing. Let's try Google. Unknown permission denied. LD config permission denied. What is this? Interesting. Let's see that error again a little more cleanly, please. Probably going to be a different error this time. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll focus on this one because I don't know what that other error is all about. Atomic ops.h not found. Well. User will include atomic ops.h. Okay, user local include? No. Package info, I forgot. I think it's -q for lib atomic ops. Yeah, we'll just install it. Package add do as. Okay, so we need to install that bad boy like this. And then we'll run gmake again. It is there now, right? Yep. gmake. Okay, so it can't find atomic ops.h, but I think that's because the BSDs don't include these by default. So I think I need to do something. I forgot how this works though. Believe let's see, echo C flags. There's nothing there, right? Export C flags. User local include. And then export LD flags. Oh, you know what? I think I did that backwards. This was supposed to be I for include. Export LD flags equals -L user local lib. ls user. Is that right? Yeah, that's where it is. Okay, so now are you happy? I need to copy these for my build manifest. Something like that, I guess. Oh, we're getting more output. Ooh, look at that. I guess that other error went away. A little concerned about that. Things are happening. Yeah, I think I did an accidental paste right there. Natalie. Hi. Is it gonna work? It works! Yes! Oh, that's so cool. Does our REPL work? Oops. Does our REPL work? 1, 2 plus 3. It works. Okay. Gmake test. Our tests seem to be running. Got one failed test. That second test right there is usually the REPL test. Cannot load such file Ruby parser. How would it even be working? Ruby test Natalie REPL. Nope, that's not it. Test REPL test. Ooh, that's slow. Can't. Huh? What? What? Encoding UTF-8. Valid true. I guess it's like an escape sequence or something. That's wild. Okay, well, let's just pretend the REPL doesn't need to work right now. Test Natalie array test. Okay. And Natalie array test. Nope. Array test. Interesting. It definitely failed. Is GDB installed? Probably not. It is. Okay, segmentation fault. Oh, it's a seg fault in the garbage collector. Well, that stinks. That smells bad. Why? I don't even know where to begin to debug that. Okay, well, we got our manifest built. We are getting things to build. Our tests are failing, but I think this is a good start. And let's just submit that. No, let's save this here. Add build manifest for OpenBSD on SourceHut. And we'll push that to GitHub, and we'll push it to SourceHut. And we'll see if it'll trigger the build. The build will fail, which is unfortunate. I definitely have some work to do to see what is going wrong on OpenBSD. I don't think this is the right environment to do it, though. I need to fire up a VM or I have an older laptop where I can install OpenBSD and play around with it, see if I can get the tests to pass. But anyway, I'd say this is a success. We now have the build running on SourceHut for OpenBSD. That's pretty cool. Well, I said that. We'll wait and see. We'll see if it actually works. You know what I could do? I could just comment out this for now. Oh, that's called deploy. Let's call that test. And then if it, just getting it to build is a good step. And then I could work later on getting the test to work. Build failed. No. No. What? Do you have more information? Couldn't install autoconf 269. Well, why not? What was it? 264? Okay, fine. We'll do 264. 264. Huh. Because I'm just going to amend that commit and force push. You can do that when you have your own project and nobody else is helping. You can force push. SourceHut -force. Sorry about the dog barking. Who knows? Who knows? Nope. Go back. Go back. This one. So now it's telling me that autoconf version 265 or higher is required. Well, poop-de-doo. Okay, let's go look. User local bin. And just see that error one more time. Autoconf version 265 or higher is needed. Autoconf. Well, I have 269, so, and I didn't install it. So I guess that means we'll just use 269. Builds. And we'll not install this. 269. It's a little weird. And instead of amending that commit over and over again, I'm going to submit this online. Submit. Well, it's getting down to our files, so that's good. I got everything else built. And almost done. Does that mean it's finished? Ah, build complete, success. Yes, took 2 minutes. Well, I guess that means this is good, and we'll just amend that commit one more time and pretend like we got it right the very first time. Okay, well, there you go. You know, not perfect by any means, but thanks again to Joshua for working on this and kicking me into gear a little bit, let's see, inspiring me to get a machine going with OpenBSD and trying to figure out why those tests are failing. I'm sure it's something pretty simple, so hopefully not too hard. Let's just go look. So cool, so cool. Oh, I guess I could put a new badge on here. When I get it passing, I think that, let's see, where did I see that? Badge, yes, I could put a SourceHut badge on there. That would be neat, but I'll wait till I get the tests passing. But the build is running. It's doing its thing. And there it is, getting back down to our files. So we actually have a build that's going to complete with a success. So thank you very much to Joshua. Thank you very much to SourceHut, Sir Compwin. I forgot his actual name. Drew DeVault. Thank you to Drew DeVault for making SourceHut, and it's a pretty cool system. You saw how easy it was to create a build and play around with the manifest and just keep submitting manifest changes, and even SSHing into the machine as it's running. And the fact that SourceHut has all those different images that can run, that is pretty nifty, So lots of Linuxes, of course, FreeBSD, NixOS, OpenBSD, and even 9front, which one of these days I'm going to play with 9front. But anyway, thanks to everyone who is inspiring me to do new stuff and learn new things all the time. I hope that you're learning something new, and I hope that this video was helpful. So I guess I will see you next time. Bye.